Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make moringa powder. First, you'll need to gather fresh moringa leaves, ensuring they are vibrant green and free from damage. Next, wash them carefully to remove any dirt or debris. Then, we'll discuss the best methods for drying the leaves to retain their nutritional value. Finally, I'll show you how to grind them into a fine powder and store it correctly for long-term use. When harvesting, choose mature, dark green leaves from your moringa tree. It's best to pick them in the morning after the dew has evaporated. Avoid any leaves that look yellow, wilted, or have insect damage. Once harvested, place the leaves in a colander and rinse them thoroughly under cool, running water. Afterward, gently pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel to remove excess moisture before the next step. Proper drying is crucial to preserve nutrients and prevent mold. You can air dry the leaves by spreading them thinly on clean screens or cloths in a shaded, well-ventilated room. Alternatively, use a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours. The leaves are ready when they are completely dry and crumble easily when touched, indicating all moisture is gone. Once your moringa leaves are thoroughly dry and brittle, it's time to turn them into powder. Use a clean coffee grinder or a high-speed blender for this step. Grind the leaves in small batches until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. Sieve the powder if you desire an even finer texture. Store your homemade moringa powder in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to maintain its potency for many months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.